This How to 1 Minute will show you how to customize WordPress excerpts. Log into your WordPress dashboard and let's go to the post section. And now let's edit this post. Once you are in editor, select post and scroll down. Here you will get excerpt. Just click on it. Now you can easily write here your excerpt. Once done, update the post. And now let's see how to add excerpts in Classic Editor. As you can see right now, I'm in my Classic Editor. Now click on Screen Options and here search for excerpt. Just check this box to enable and now scroll down. At the bottom, here you will get the excerpt box. Here you can easily write your excerpt for the post. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.